Welcome back to another episode of Ham Radio Playground. In today's episode, we've got a special treat. Our buddy Sean, the artist formerly known as Ham Radio Dude, now known as Dude Tested, sent us a lovely package for us to open and play with. What do we got? A box. Look, HRD Industries. Sent to Ham Radio Playground. Let's open this box up and see what we got.
Better put the knife away, Kevin, before you hurt yourselves. Don't stab yourself. Don't cut your finger off.
Or, since it's Christmas time,
You're gonna shoot your eye out.
alright, let's see if we can get this box open. And see what goodies we got inside. What? Well, right away we got some stickers. What a contact. And only hams. You know where both of those are going? Right over there on the fridge. We got a plastic cap. And then we got some bubble wrap. Thank you and enjoy. 73. All right. One guess what's inside this black wrapper. Oh, check that out. We have a new mask to play with. The Little Dude 6. Let's get it on camera the right way. Look at that. Little Dude 6. I am looking forward to going out and getting this set up and doing another video where we review the performance of this mast. Want one for yourself? Check the link down in the description. Head over and support Sean. Alrighty, that's it. Time for me to get out of the sandbox and get back to work. Watch for a follow-up video where we do an in-field review of the Little Dude 6.